Oh, okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna run all three of these inverter generators in parallel. We didn't quite have enough power with the two champions, so I found me a used Honda, bought it, and let me show you how I linked all this stuff together. Okay, so what I did is I actually hooked up another third link cable into the box of my Champion inverter parallel kit, and then I put a regular plug. I put a safety female end on it for my wife wouldn't shock herself. So you take that, and I like to plug all these in first. Before you start them. It seems to work really good that way. And she ran an event last night with all three for about 6 hours. They all three ran great. Didn't have any problem with all three of them hooked up at the same time. Had plenty of power. Get that little guy on there. Okay, so that's the one side of the inverter. This is the one I hooked up to the Honda. And this one goes like a regular parallel kit would go into this one. And I looked at the wiring diagrams on all these generators, and the actual parallel ports do hook up to these. So there's no special wiring that goes to these. They're actually in line with those. So they're all part of the same circuit. So if anybody's wondering about that, that's how that works. Okay, so then I got all of them hooked up before you start them. See, that one's hooked up. That one's hooked up. And that one just plugs right into this, because this actual parallel ports are part of this. So there's no extra circuit. That's all in the same circuit. Okay. So we go gas on. Gas onto the Honda. Go. Green light. Green light. There you go. All three 3,000 watt inverters are working together. And the reason we needed this, we got a big Taylor ice cream machine, and we wouldn't quite power it with the two, so we had to get the third one. I ran probably 6 hours the other night in an event. Works great.